Hey family, I wanted to do a quick review on this Gorilla cart. I needed a second one to haul some things around in for the garden. And so I went over to Lowe's and this was about $80. This is not sponsored and prices may vary at different stores, but this one was $80 for me. And I thought, this would do the trick, and it does. It has plastic wheels. These are not rubber or pneumatic tires. These are plastic wheels. The whole casing is plastic. It's one mold. It has these little indentations to put whatever supplies needs or a cup of water in there. And it's pretty deep. That's what I do like about this. Now, what I don't like about it is that it's not very stable. So if you have a load in there, it will tend to tilt. It's very easy to tilt and fall. So when I was loading dirt, it was tilting. So I had to level out the dirt so that it wouldn't fall over. But you can see can you see it? It's kind of shaky. It has a narrow base. So let me tilt that so you can see. So you can see the base is very narrow. It's not very wide, not like it's a narrow, and it widens as it gets to the top. So it can get a little top heavy, and so it's not very stable. But did it get the job done? Yes, it did. Here are the specs on it. It's supposed to be maintenance-free poly, I guess some type of poly plastic. Integrated storage tray. It's true, no assembly was required. Easy loading and storage. It is light, everyone. So it is light. It's easy to pick up and maneuver. It's not something for heavy duty, but it is great for a little garden cart. But you see, it's real easy to tilt. So if you're looking for something heavy duty, this is not the cart for you. But if you're looking for something just to haul around some garden items, such as what I had to do, this is great. I mean, it did the job. My other Gorilla cart is being utilized right now, and it's stable. It's lower to the ground. I really like it. Let me show you that one. Okay, family, this is my other Gorilla cart. As you can see, it's very low profile. It has pneumatic tires, and it's growing weeds right now because I was using it to hold the dirt from the hole I've been trying to dig for my apple tree over here. So I've had to put a pause on everything, and when it rains, the weeds pop up. And then when I thought I had a break, it rained again, and now I have a little break before the next rain comes in. So I'm gonna have to get back out here and get rid of the weeds out of the dirt so I can amend it to plant my apple tree in the hole. But yeah, this is another great cart, Gorilla cart, everyone, especially for women. Not so much for men. You may want to get the big heavy duty one like Lead Farmer 73 has. But for women, this works really nice. It's very stable and it moves across terrain really well. All right, family. I'm getting ready to go. Just a quick review on this Gorilla cart. And like I said, it does the job. So would I buy it again? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes. If you have light garden items that you need to haul around and it's lightweight, it does hold a lot of weight. Just so you know, it's really deep. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.